Merry Christmas everyone, and welcome to my 2019 Christmas special. Thought I would just do a bit of light-hearted, festive, classic mini fun, same as what I done last year. So, to get straight into it, the first set of clips I'm going to show you, I invested in a dashcam last year, and I don't cover too many miles for a commute on a daily basis, but in those miles I come across some of those drivers. You all know those drivers, you've seen them on a daily basis, some more than others depending where you live, but over the space of the last 12 months, here's some of what I deem to be the drivers of the year. Enjoy! So I'm sure most of you watching can relate to those drivers. They're everywhere, unfortunately. Luckily, no one was hurt, there was no damage, so that's why I showed it. It's all in good humour. Outtakes for 2019, there were a lot. So I'll give you a small selection of some of the outtakes. I never take myself seriously, I always have a laugh and enjoy this. I always say if you're not enjoying it, don't do it. So, good humour, here's some of my outtakes. Mask's good, by the way. So it's always worrying what you're going to find under the carpet of a minute. So it's always a bit worrying lifting the carpet on an old car. So here's some irony. When you get a word and it sounds strange and you say it over your own head, it's maybe my accent. Yeah, so here's some irony. Anyway, I was going to test the lights. I've got a problem with one of my back lights and one of my front lights. Don't know if it's bulb or don't know if it's electrical, so I thought that was next on my list to test. And then it took before I actually came back out to realise you can't test lights without a battery. Yeah, it's one of those days. Things you do for a camera stand. Oh God. Wheeler Dealers doesn't have this issue. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. It's going to be a very brief one, and it's just to give you details on how to Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a very brief one, and it's to give you details on a worldwide competition that's currently being run by myself and a few other local, not local because they're not local. So I think I've come up with a solution. Do it a bit again. Put my teeth in. So I think I've come up with a solution. All I done was this bar, flipped it around. So the last bit of carpet, the worst bit, is up by the what do you call this panel again? Stick with me, keep the comments coming, keep the feedback coming, and keep the tips coming. Take care. Forgot what I'm saying. This is what happens when you do a night shift and then try and film when you get up. So yeah, I'll end that one there and I'll carry on from here in the next one. So take care, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers! So 2019, there's been a lot of highlights for minis and classic cars for me. I've been to a few shows, I've met a lot of you fantastic people that I consider friends for life. I hope to get to more next year and hope to build on the people I'm meeting. So here's my highlights from 2019. Right, here we go, it's the morning of Bingley. Let's go and see some minis and some YouTubers. Turn up like the Ghostbusters. I love the themes you can put on minis. Fantastic. Oh, I wish you could smell inside here. It smells great. Yep, so they were designed for bottles of gin originally, as Mr. Isagonis like gin, but yeah, beer. Lovely. A different indicator as well. That's my wish at some point, is a Mark 1. I love a Mark 1. So you'll know this one, this is Tom's from Total Car Reviews. I have to say, when I've seen it on camera, it doesn't quite do it justice to how it looks in the flesh. It's immaculate and it's lovely, and just the individual details are yeah, car to be proud of basically. So we're ready to go. I've got my co-pilot. He's always here with me, and the plan is when I get old, he can maintain my minis for me. So the rain stopped, cars are all here, we're just going to take a walk around and have a look at some of the lovely cars. Well, that's the end of the day for us. We're heading home soon. We were advised when we came to Largs to get some ice cream because it's really nice, so we are. So we've got ice cream. I'm going to finish this and we're going to head home. But what a great day. A lot of great cars, despite the cold weather. It stayed dry when we were looking anyway. Yeah, so the Thistle Run 2019. I'll need this. Wheelies. Clothes for all weather. That is me. So that's me now in Manchester. I've met up with Alex Hart, the DJSE, Alex Toon, and Cole from Classic Mini DIY.
I'll leave. I'm gonna take his face off.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take the face off. Yeah, so redneck on board.
Oh no!
So here we are, Minnie's getting fueled up for the journey to Wales, then from Wales to Bristol.
That chicken! Come on, cupcake! Hang on. Anything for your cupcake? Anything for your cupcake? What is actually happening here? What is that? Adam Campion. What even is that? Cupcake. Again, I'm going home. He actually sounded like a chicken.
So this is one I've been looking forward to seeing, is the Juiced Mini by Paul P. Seeing it on video and seeing it in person's something else. That's one way of getting the water off. I love it how it's 7:30 and everyone's thinking, yeah, Paul's up. So this is a project kit that you can see on Classic Mini Workshop, and it's Mark Draper's car, and it's stunning. There's been a lot of time, effort and love went into this.
Shawnee boy's in it. Shawnee boy's out of it.
Damn it, I didn't even record.
Yeah, that's actually quite level. You're going for one with the stickers.
Oh yeah, this whole window.
Whoa, driver! Whoa! He's off! Shawnee boy! Get me back!
So I swapped it from AAA. So I'll just
Right, split!
Right, hang on.
Go on, go for it.
So we've had wind, we've had rain, but now we've got gales, and this is impossible to try and keep from blowing away. So it's time for me to head home. That's the end of IMM 2019. It's been an adventure. It's been fantastic. I've had such a good time. Been with my friends, been in great company, and I've never done anything like this before. Festival wise, it'll stick with me for the rest of my life. So to end, my 3 words to sum up IMM 2019: friends, minis, memories. It's been a very busy year for me, especially the last 2 months. There's a lot of stuff going on in the background that I have to prioritise over cars, so I've not done an awful lot in the last few months. The summer took up a lot of my time replacing the front end on Ed, my SPI Mini. It had to be done outside, and I was bound by the weather, and the weather in Scotland's not been great the last year. So it stopped me doing some of my other cars that I wanted to progress this year that I've not got onto it. I have done some footage of other cars away from my main restorations that I've never quite made it onto any video. Not yet anyway, they may feature next year, but here's a few snippets of the footage that never quite made it or that hasn't made it yet. It's been a long time, but yeah, I'm in Misty. There's been a few people out there asking when they're going to get a next video, when I'm going to move on with it. So yeah, that floor's still needing fixed. Plenty spiders in here. Sorry if you don't like spiders, they don't bother me. Ah, that's not good. That'll be a broken valve then, which means it's going to be fun to move. Nothing like it. It smells great. The fuel pump kicking in, so they're still powering the battery. There we go, tucked up in its resting place for the foreseeable, unless I decide to move it on, we'll see. But if you want to see what happens with it, either way, stay tuned. So that brings an end to the Christmas special. Hopefully I got a few laughs from you from it, and I'll be back in the new year. The first show of the year I'm planning to get to is Bingley Hall, so if anyone's going to Bingley Hall, drop a message in the comment, let me know, and hopefully I can get to meet some more people this year. Hopefully I can pick up a few parts while I'm there. Still over a month away, but I've been the last 2 years and really enjoyed it, so I'm looking forward to that one. So I'll just end by saying I hope you and your families have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So from 2019, thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in 2020. Cheers!